you ever feel overwhelmed by life's chaos, constantly searching for peace and clarity? Imagine living a life where you stay calm in every storm, focused in every challenge, and fulfilled no matter what life throws your way. These aren't just dreams, they're achievable, thanks to the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. Let's dive into the 10 Stoic rules for a better life and uncover how you can transform your mindset starting today. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy founded by great thinkers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus. It's not just about surviving life, it's about thriving in the face of adversity. These 10 rules, inspired by Stoic teachings, will guide you toward a calmer, more purposeful existence. Rule 1. Control what you can, accept what you can't. The Stoics believed that peace comes when you focus only on what's within your control. Stop worrying about things like other people's opinions or external events. Instead, focus on your thoughts, actions, and choices. This mindset shift alone can reduce stress dramatically. Rule 2. Practice gratitude daily. Gratitude was central to Stoic philosophy. Every day, take a moment to appreciate what you have. As Seneca said, "We are more often frightened than hurt, and we suffer more in imagination than in reality." Gratitude helps us see how much we already have. Rule 3. Embrace discomfort. The Stoics intentionally exposed themselves to challenges like fasting or cold showers to train their minds. These practices strengthen your resilience and remind you that you can endure more than you think. Rule 4. Live in the present moment. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Confine yourself to the present. Stop dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Focus on the here and now where your actions truly matter." Rule 5. Understand that death is a part of life. Rather than fearing death, the Stoics embraced it as a natural part of life. This isn't morbid, it's liberating. When you remind yourself of your mortality, you prioritize what truly matters. Rule 6. Detach from material possessions. Material things can't bring lasting happiness. Epictetus said, "Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants." Focus on experiences, relationships, and personal growth instead. Rule 7. Practice self-discipline. Discipline is the backbone of Stoicism. Whether it's sticking to a routine, eating healthily, or exercising, discipline helps you master your desires and live intentionally. Rule 8. Take responsibility for your actions. The Stoics believed in personal accountability. Stop blaming others for your problems. Instead, ask yourself, what can I do to change this situation? Owning your actions gives you power. Rule 9. Help others selflessly. Stoicism teaches us to serve the greater good. Seneca wrote, "No man can live happily who has regard for himself alone." When you help others, you cultivate joy and meaning in your own life. Rule 10. Reflect daily on your progress. At the end of each day, reflect on your actions. Marcus Aurelius often asked himself, "What did I do well today? What could I improve?" This practice helps you grow and stay aligned with your values. These 10 Stoic rules are more than ideas. They're tools to build a better life. Start with one rule, practice it, and watch your mindset transform. Remember, Stoicism isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Which rule will you start with today? Let me know in the comments.